Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest gadgets and gizmos to give you the inside scoop. Today, we're diving deep into the world of RAM with the Klevv Cras XR5 RGB DDR5-8000 C38. Let's see if this memory kit lives up to the hype. So, what's all the buzz about the Klevv Cras XR5 RGB DDR5-8000 C38? This memory kit is not just your average RAM. It's a powerhouse designed for the most demanding tasks. First off, let's talk performance. The Cras XR5 RGB DDR5-8000 C38 packs a serious punch, offering top-end performance that'll make your PC run like a dream. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or multitasking like a pro, this RAM can handle it all with ease. But performance isn't the only thing that matters, right? Sporting a sleek, low-profile heat spreader and eye-catching RGB lighting, this RAM will add some serious flair to your rig. Now, let's talk about compatibility. The Cras XR5 RGB DDR5-8000 C38 is designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of CPUs and motherboards. Plus, it's compatible with popular RGB software like ASUS AuraSync and MSI Mystic LightSync, so you can customize your lighting to match your setup. And what about overclocking? With some tweaking, you can push this RAM even further to squeeze out every last drop of performance. It's like having a turbocharger for your PC. So, what's the bottom line? The Klevv Cras XR5 RGB DDR5-8000 C38 is a premium memory kit that delivers top-notch performance, sleek design, and excellent compatibility. Sure, it might come with a hefty price tag, but for enthusiasts and power users, it's worth every penny. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech. Until next time, happy computing!